Okay, what do you have to say?
Hey guys, excuse my appearance. I have been traveling for the past 2 days. I had to spend the night in Mexico City and I thought it was gonna be really cold because I checked the weather, but it wasn't that cold. And that's why I'm in sweatpants. So yeah. I think I'm gonna take a nap because I just spent the past 2 days traveling and it was a lot. Okay, let's back up just a little bit to November 25th when something unexpected happened.
My drone just broke. Very sad day. The wind took it and it flew into one of the bushes and now it's broken.
And that's when I got a message from William later that afternoon. So because of the timing of the situation and our upcoming Mexico trip together, the plan was for me to purchase a new drone for William and he would pay me back when I got to Mexico. The only catch was that I had about an hour after work to find a store that had the same drone before all businesses closed for the Thanksgiving holiday. It all ended up working out though because I found one at Best Buy later that evening after work. The following day, I got on my flight from San Antonio to Mexico City and booked a hotel near the airport because I had a long layover before my flight to Huatulco the next day. Overall, everything went pretty smoothly at the airport, but I was completely exhausted when I finally made it to Huatulco. I think I'm gonna take a nap because I just spent the past 2 days traveling and it was a lot. Especially at the Mexico City airport, it's super confusing sometimes, and I also have to charge all of my electronics. So I'm gonna just take a nap while I'm doing that.
And I'm gonna do some pool drinks.
Hello, are you ready to go?
Almost. I have to check to make sure I have my stuff downloaded on here before I delete the stuff off my memory card.
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Well, what do you want to say?
Squeezable applesauce. This is an essential because if you come across a situation when you have a low blood sugar, then this comes in handy. Wait, my mask. Hey guys, I am here in Huatulco, Mexico, and my flight got in around 1 o'clock earlier this afternoon. I just checked into Hotel Alacar here, and right now William and I are going to head over to the beach, and then probably we're gonna find a restaurant because I'm super hungry and I really want some Oaxacan cuisine.
Oaxaca.
After the sun went down, we came across a restaurant called Bladu'yu at Playa Choway.
What are you gonna order?
I'm still not sure yet. I'm still looking at the menu. I'm super hungry though.
Me too. Nom 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 nom.
So these are like some really, really crispy corn tortillas. They're basically like chips, but this is queso fresco, black beans, and then there's 2 different types of salsa. So I'm gonna test it out. Super good, very fresh.
We got the food. She got something called mole. It's a very traditional and famous dish here in Mexico. And I got chile relleno. It looks like a fried mountain. And I think there's green pepper inside with some meat or something. I'm about to find out.
Alright guys, I ordered traditional black mole. So I'm gonna try it out. I can really taste all of the spices. Gracias. It tastes very sweet. I believe there's chili pepper. Wait, I'm like doing a terrible job. Anyway, mole is like a mixture of a lot of different spices. Sometimes they add chocolate, sometimes peanut butter. This one's just traditional black mole. And I like that it's very sweet because it really creates the flavor profile. I can't even talk right now. After dinner, we headed back to Hotel Alucard to get some much needed rest. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. In the next video, William and I head up to the beautiful town of Pluma Hidalgo and visit a coffee plantation located high up in the mountains, so stay tuned for that.